Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a crochet velvet scrunchie. This is a really easy tutorial. I'm going to go really slow. It's great for beginners. So if you're new to crochet, I would say to practice doing this and you can get a bunch of cute scrunchies out of it. What you're going to need is some velvet yarn. I use Bernat's. That's the brand that I'm using. Some scissors, a scrunchie, and a crochet hook. I'm using a size 5 hook. So let's get started. So I start off by making a slip knot. So to make that, I wrap the yarn around my fingers like that. I hold it, and then I pull a loop through. That's it, that's a slip knot. I tighten it around my hook. I hold my scrunchie and I dip my hook into the middle of the scrunchie and I pull up a loop. And then I wrap the yarn over my hook one time and pull that loop through both of those loops. And that's called a single crochet. So you're gonna want to single crochet all the way around the scrunchie. So we're gonna dip our hook back into the middle of the scrunchie to pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, pull through both loops, and make sure that you're pushing your stitches together as you go to make sure the entire scrunchie is fully covered. So in the end, I have about 43 stitches on my scrunchie. You may have more depending on how big your scrunchie is, but you just want to make sure that it's fully covered. You see? Fully. Then we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch on the scrunchie. So you're going to take that first stitch right here, put your hook under both loops, pull up a loop, and then take that same loop and pull it through the loop that was already on the hook. And that's a slip stitch. So now we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to double crochet into the same chain 2 space. You're going to yarn over, go into that same space, pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and that's a double crochet. You're going to want to do 2 or 3 double crochets in each stitch. This scrunchie used 2 double crochets in each stitch. If you want more of a ruffle effect, you can put 3. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to do 3 double crochets in every stitch. So you're going to place another double crochet in this same stitch that we just placed the other one. And then we're going to place 3 double crochets in every stitch around. So this is what you want it to look like. You want it to have this like really cute ruffly wave looking effect. If it looks like this, that means you're doing it right. So you're going to continue placing 3 double crochets in every stitch until you get to the last stitch. So we're on the last 3 double crochets. And then you're going to have 2 chains right here. You're going to slip stitch into the top chain. Then I'd like to do 1 more chain. Pull it big. Clip your yarn. Then pull it. I'm gonna tie a knot. I clip it again. I like to burn my ends just a little. And then you do the same to the little inside. And there you have it. That is your velvet scrunchie. This scrunchie is so cute, and the stretch is not compromised in any way. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful, and you subscribe because there will be more crochet tutorials coming, I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.